In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to drift in Assetto Corsa with a Moza R5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Drifting in Assetto Corsa with this particular steering wheel or any other one is a fantastic experience, but it requires the right setup and a lot of practice, so I'm gonna give you the key instructions that you should be aware of. Keep in mind that I'm not gonna be able to go super in-depth with a video of this length, but I'm still gonna give you the general idea and the process and technique. So the right settings will only get you so far. Driving will require muscle memory and practice as well. First, the most important element, throttle control. You don't just want to mash the throttle. So you have to use small, precise adjustments to maintain the right angle. And more throttle gives you more angle, and less throttle will straighten the car. To initiate, there are several ways to do it. The most common method is a clutch kick. While turning into a corner, press the clutch, rev the engine, and then quickly release the clutch. The sudden surge of power breaks traction and gets the car sideways like this. Then, you also have the option to pull the handbrake, so pulling the handbrake while turning will lock the rear wheels and cause the car to slide. And finally, a more advanced technique is the Scandinavian flick, where you briefly turn away from the corner and then quickly turn back in. This shifts the weight of the car and initiates a slide. Now you have counter steering. As the car starts to slide, you need to turn the wheel in the opposite direction of the slide to catch it and maintain control. While a direct drive wheel like the Moza R5, you should feel the wheel naturally want to spin in the right direction. Let it spin naturally, but be ready to catch it when you get to the right amount of lock. The key to linking drifts is to manage the transition from one direction to another, so a smooth lift of the throttle, a quick flick of the wheel in the new direction, and then getting back on the power to continue the slide. And as long as you mix and use these base techniques, you will be able to do drifts in Assetto Corsa. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.